Okay, so I think I got me a new SD card in here. I think my SD card was getting too full because this thing was just shutting off every like 20 minutes. And the battery was reading full, but almost done here. So you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm gonna pull on this end. You only really need 2 in here. You want to twist some more like this, man, so it gets tight. That other one, I didn't do the best. Don't get too crazy on it. So there, that's secure. Hopefully this won't dig in to this bar where it's at. So we'll just cut this off. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do 2. Get this other. Got a little tight fit in here. This shouldn't take too long. This steel's getting hot too. And this one we'll just put around this bar. Man, if I had any more work to do, I'd have to go in the shade, people. I have to get this. I have to get this on the other side. There we go. We'll cut another piece. And that should be all we need for now. Sometimes when I temporarily do stuff, man, it stays like that for a while if I'm real busy. Okay, you see that wire right there? We do not want to wrap it on that wire. So we're going to go in between there. Ooh, you see that red in between that plug? That's not good, man. I don't think that's waterproof there, but that doesn't matter. It's the light. Man, I should tape that. That's what they were telling me. This is I-65 waterproof, except the wiring. I could see right there, man. I have to put some electrical tape around that so no water gets in there. So it's gonna be like this. We'll go again. Don't. You see how that gets twisted? The spirits must be messing with me. There's no reason that should have twisted that way. And I missed. I'm really messing up. I'm on the other side of that wire. I gotta be on this side. Okay, come on. How did that? What the heck is happening, man? Oh, that's over there. There we go. Everything's going pretty smooth today. We don't need no extra problems. Yeah, I'm getting rid of these plastic things, man, next time I get up in this area. Just gonna go just like this. Okay, so that's how I want it. So tighten as much as you can. When you tighten this, people, you want to bring it up like that and then tighten it more like this. Because this wire tightens kind of funny sometimes. That should be good. Tighten this too much, it'll break sometimes. Okay, and just cut it. These pieces I might be able to use. I actually wanted to cut a couple pieces of this and put it on this bike just in case I need it. Because if something comes loose or off, this comes in handy to fix some stuff. As I lube this chain up too, I don't know, I gotta get this in the shade. So all I do is I take some of this and I'll just twist it on somewhere out of the way. Need it, it's right there. I'm gonna just put it. I'm just gonna do this another day. I gotta get out of here, man. I just gotta tape that stuff. And this other battery's still not charged up. It's been about 4 hours. So one of these batteries but that's good enough. Okay, so we're gonna keep that. Get rid of these. Your hands get real dirty from this tie wire. Still dirt coming off, man. So I'm just gonna tape the ends of those tie wires because that thing rips open stuff real easy. Actually, I'm gonna need probably whoa. Oh, that battery shouldn't even be there. I'm getting a little delirious from that dang sun. So this we can cut off more.